It was a collective commitment from hundreds of bikers who rolled through the streets of Cincinnati, complete with a police escort. They're biking and uniting against gun violence. Their mission was to make as much noise as possible so people would come out and ask, what's going on?
Anybody that's out there pulling guns and hurting our babies, this is what you're up against. You know, all these people are tired of senseless gun violence. That's what we're trying to show people, is that we're tired.
The ride started in Avondale and went through downtown, OTR, the West Side, Winton Terrace, and more. Morris says they go around town to spread the love.
We get together on these Saturdays and Sundays and do these things, and you see there's a lot of people out here. So let's just don't stop. Let's continue this effort through the week. Every day of the week, we've got to be that serious. It's all hands on deck at this time right now.
Tiger is one of the bikers. She says she hasn't missed a ride for peace since it started 13 years ago. The stops are personal for her.
You got to humble yourself when you ride through there and you see all the things that's going on, and it does make you want to go out there and make a difference.
Tiger says she loves when the kids come up to her and ask her about a ride. It's a talking piece.
The bikes is just something to bring them in, and we can talk to them about, other things in life, about just being aware of their environment, just being good kids and doing the right thing in school.
The kids are sticking with bicycles for now, but organizers say it's all about showing them a positive future.
If they see something, if we can show them other than what they see every day, far as violence or different, just a small thing, I think it will be a difference. But it's up to us, and it starts at home as well.
Hey there. Yeah, you could stop watching right now, but let's be honest, you don't want to do that. Hit the links or click subscribe to see more amazing content from all of us here at Local 12.